Sending money shouldn't be stressful. You need a way that's safe, easy, and affordable. That's where Ria Money Transfer comes in. Ria is a company that helps people send money worldwide. They have been around for a long time, over 35 years. Millions of people trust Ria to send money to their loved ones. Whether it's for family support, paying bills, or a special gift, Ria makes it simple. You can send money online, through their app, or at one of their many locations. Ria is a trusted name in money transfers. They focus on making the process as smooth as possible for you. What sets Ria apart from other money transfer services? Let's dive into the unique features that make Ria a standout choice. It's their dedication to being accessible and convenient for everyone. Whether you're tech-savvy or prefer traditional methods, Ria has got you covered. Firstly, Ria has a huge network. They can send money to over 160 countries around the world. This extensive reach ensures that no matter where your loved ones are, you can support them financially. This means you can likely send money wherever you need to. From bustling cities to remote villages, Ria's network spans across diverse regions, making it a truly global service. Secondly, Ria offers many ways to pay. You can use cash, debit cards, credit cards, or even bank accounts. This variety of payment options ensures that you can choose the method that is most convenient and secure for you. This flexibility makes sending money easier for you. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, Ria's platform is designed to accommodate your lifestyle. Finally, Ria provides choices for receiving money too. Your recipient can pick up cash at a location, get it sent directly to their bank account, or even have it delivered to their doorstep in some cases. This ensures that the money reaches your loved ones in the most convenient way possible. Ria's commitment to flexibility doesn't stop there. They also offer competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it an economical choice for international money transfers, or even have it delivered to their doorstep in some cases. This is particularly useful for those who may not have easy access to a bank or money transfer location. Ria understands that everyone's needs are different. They recognize that each customer has unique requirements and preferences, which is why they offer such a wide range of options. That's why they offer so many choices for sending and receiving money. With Ria, you have the freedom to choose the best way to support your loved ones, no matter where they are in the world. In summary, Ria's reach, flexibility, and variety of options make it a top choice for anyone looking to send money internationally. Their commitment to customer satisfaction and convenience sets them apart in the crowded field of money transfer services. Everyone wants to know about fees before they send money. Ria keeps it transparent. The fees you pay depend on a few things. The amount of money you send matters. Sending a larger amount might mean a higher fee. The destination country also plays a role. Some countries have higher fees than others. The delivery method you choose affects the fee too. Cash pickups are usually faster, but bank transfers might have lower fees. Check Ria's website or app. They have a handy tool to calculate the exact cost before you commit. Always compare costs before sending money. This will help you find the most affordable option for your needs. When you send money, you want it to arrive quickly. With Ria, the speed depends on how you send it. Cash pickups are the fastest option. Your recipient can usually collect the money within minutes at a Ria agent location. Bank transfers might take a bit longer. It can be anywhere from a few hours to a few business days. This depends on the countries involved and their banking systems. While cash pickups are faster, bank transfers are often more convenient for recipients. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Sending money online requires trust. You need to know your money and information are secure. Ria takes security very seriously. They use advanced technology to protect your transactions. They have encryption and fraud prevention measures in place. This helps keep your money safe from unauthorized access. Ria also complies with all regulations for money transfers. You can rest assured knowing that Ria prioritizes the security of your transactions. They use industry-standard practices to protect your money and information. Ria in your pocket, the mobile app experience. In today's world, convenience is key. That's why Ria has a mobile app. It's available for both iPhone and Android phones. The app lets you send money anytime, anywhere. You can track your transfers right from your phone. You can also find nearby Ria agent locations. The app is designed to be user-friendly. It makes sending money on the go simple. However, some users have reported occasional glitches. Overall, the Ria app is a valuable tool. It enhances the convenience of using Ria Money Transfer. Like any service, Ria has its advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help you make an informed decision about whether Ria is the right choice for you. Let's look at both sides to get a clear picture. By examining the pros and cons, you can better understand how Ria fits into your financial plans and needs. On the plus side, Ria offers a wide network, flexible payment options, and multiple delivery choices. This means you can send money to a vast number of locations worldwide using a method that suits you best. They are known for their competitive exchange rates, which can help you get more value for your money. This is particularly beneficial if you are sending large amounts or making frequent transfers. And fast transfer speeds, especially for cash pickups. Quick transfers can be crucial in emergencies or when time is of the essence. However, Ria's fees can vary depending on the transfer details. It's important to check the fee structure before making a transfer to avoid any surprises. Some users find the fees higher for certain countries or delivery methods. This can be a significant factor if you're sending money to less common destinations or using specific transfer options. The mobile app, while convenient, has also received some negative feedback for occasional technical issues. These issues can be frustrating, especially if you rely on the app for regular transfers. It's important to weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs and priorities. Consider factors such as transfer speed, cost, convenience, and the reliability of the service. By doing so, you can make a well-informed decision that best suits your financial requirements. So, is Ria Money Transfer the right choice for you? It depends on several factors. Ria is a solid option if you need to send money quickly and efficiently. Their service is designed to cater to those who prioritize speed and convenience. This is especially true if your recipient needs cash right away, as Ria's network ensures fast delivery. Ria is also a good choice if you're sending money to a country with a strong Ria presence. Their extensive network spans across many countries, making it easier for your recipient to access the funds. Their extensive network ensures your money arrives safely and reliably. With numerous locations worldwide, Ria provides a dependable service that you can trust. However, if you're on a tight budget and speed isn't a major factor, exploring other money transfer services might be worthwhile. There are various options available that might offer lower fees or better exchange rates. Ultimately, the best money transfer service is the one that best meets your individual needs and circumstances. Consider factors such as cost, speed, and the recipient's location when making your decision. By evaluating these aspects, you can choose the service that provides the best value and convenience for your specific situation.